Ignite my fire, Lord. Just ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. I want to burn for you. I want to burn for you. We want to burn for you, Lord. We want to burn for you. Consume me, oh Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Come on, just sing it. Ignite my fire. Ignite my fire, Lord. Lift up your hands as a sign of surrender and say, ignite my fire, Lord. I've been stagnant for too long. Ignite the fire, Lord. Come on, sing it. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Some of you are too quiet. Just shout to the heavens now. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. I want to burn for you, Lord. I want to burn. I want to burn for you. I want to burn for you. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire, Lord. Ignite my fire. Jesus. Ignite my fire, Lord. Some of you are not realizing what you're singing. You're singing to the King of Kings, to the Lord of Lords, to the one who answers with fire. You're saying, Lord, ignite my fire. I've been dry for too long. I've been dry for too long. I've been a passive Christian for too long. I need you to ignite my fire, because if you don't do it, I don't know what's going to happen. Some of you need to get desperate. Open your mouth and say, ignite my fire, Lord. Come on, travail. We don't know how to travail. Just shout, ignite my fire, Lord. Come on, sing, ignite. Let it hear your voice. Ignite my fire, Jesus. Ignite my fire, Lord. Because I want to burn for you. I want to burn for you. Listen to what you're saying. I want to burn for you. I want to burn for you. I want to burn for you. I want to burn for you, Jesus. I want to burn for you. Consume me, O Lord. Consume me, O Lord. Consume me, O Lord. Jesus. Consume me, O Lord.